Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Now once your content is prepped, all you will need to do is hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. I believe just a click will actually do. Yep, it will give us a sound along with this pop-up with the edit. Oops, let's try that again. So edit, tag, and share options, and also this T will allow you to detect text in the screenshot. Now, once this disappears, you can actually find this still in your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. So we can open it up. And right now, I believe we are in albums, so let me go back to the pictures tab. So by default, you should be located here. And this will show you, I believe, everything. Could be wrong, but you can see there's the screenshot that I've captured, and it still gives us the detect text option right here. So let's actually try that out just so you can see how that works. When you press on it, it will scan the screenshot and then highlight everything that it detects as text. So 27, technically a text. Cloudy weather, or cloudy Washington for some whatever. Then we have settings, and for some reason it detects here text, but I'm not exactly sure what it detects right here as a text, so I'm gonna disregard that. But we have other things like here 27 and this entire thing right here. So this feature would probably work best if you, for instance, capture a screenshot of a document or things like that, PDF, and then you can use this to basically highlight everything in that PDF, because you do have the option to highlight stuff, and then you can copy it from here. Keep in mind this is an image still. And I could, as an example, now open up things like notes. Oh, no, that's not notes. Where the heck are notes in here? Are you kidding me? Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna do that because it requires me to sign in to use the freaking notes. Are you serious, Samsung? So I can just do this, and as you can see, it's here in clipboard anyway, so we can just press this to paste it in. And there we go. It's a text pasted straight from a screenshot. Anyway, there's a couple additional ways you can capture a screenshot on this device, because we do have access to pen, which comes provided with the device. And when you start using it, you get this little icon right here. When you hover over it, as you can see, it kind of lights up, and you can press on it. This will bring up a guide very first time, so let's just try to get rid of it. Yes, cool, I know how to use it. Can you like be gone? Yes, I will enjoy it once you're gone. Okay, so now that we can actually use it and get the options right here, we have several different ones that are associated with screenshot. So we have Smart Select, we have Screen Write, and I think just the Smart Select will be the one that we're looking for in actuality, which will contain, yep, the several different ways we can capture a screenshot. So we have the box, we have a free select, a circular, GIF, which just kind of allows you to select some kind of area, and we have the pinning. Pinning, once you capture a screenshot, which you do the same way with the box, so you just drag across and it will create a box in that cross diagonal area. It will pin it automatically to your display. So just to kind of showcase this, actually we don't actually get to select it, unfortunately, so just select here, pin, and voila. So it's still a screenshot, but it's just pinned. Now let's get rid of it. Going back to the other options, we have the box, which just allows you to do this. So you can see it. It's kind of like a selection on Windows, but when you let go, it creates a screenshot out of it. Now, whichever option you use right here, for each one of them, when you have this kind of pop-up right here, once you have technically captured your image, you will need to save it right here. Otherwise, if you go back, it just gets discarded. Now, I'm going to capture just one with this option, which is the free select. So this will allow me just to draw an area that I want to capture, like so. And when I let go, it selects that specific area. I can then select it to save it to the gallery, and it automatically gets saved. So I can go here, and you can see this is the selected area that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.